Is this the future of filming golf vlogs? Hello you golfing legends. As you can see, I've bought myself a new toy. And I've got to say, I'm very impressed with the results. It's a 360 camera. Insta360 1X, I think it's called. Plenty of reviews and tutorials out there about this camera, so I won't go into detail. I won't even show it to you. But yeah, it's look at that. I mean, look at that shot there. It looks like a drone above me. It's actually just on a rather long selfie stick. It's like an extra item you can buy along with this camera. So that's a 3-meter selfie stick that's on, which is attached to my golf trolley. It actually sits in where the umbrella goes. Not the umbrella, what I'm talking about. Yeah, the umbrella, yeah, with that little sort of attachment onto the trolley. So look, what I like about this is that you get more of an idea about the golf course. Look, I'm looking back on myself there where I was teeing off. You get an idea of how long this short par 3 is. It's almost sort of 3D, isn't it? It's because you're moving past the trees, and I think it's absolutely brilliant. I can't understand why none of the other main golf vloggers are not using this. It's been out for about 4 months now. So easy to use. Like I said before, I've done this all on an iPhone, and you just do all the reframing and the camera angles after you filmed. You don't have to point it anywhere. And this, I think, is the future of golf vlogs. This is just one camera here. How sort of cinematic and dynamic is it? That's the thing that I find when I watch a lot of these course vlogs, is that you sort of you don't get the sort of sense of being at the golf course. It's very sort of one-dimensional, where here I think you can sort of get an idea of what the sort of whole golf course is like. I mean, actually, I put this camera probably a bit too far away than I needed to. This is my first attempt to film him, and yeah, I think the results are pretty amazing. This has got to be the future for any one-man band like myself out there. I mean, what do you think of the results? Comment down below. I mean, can you imagine using this and maybe a GoPro on a tripod, sort of to be more on the ground level? There are a few drawbacks about this. The quality is not probably as good as a GoPro, and also I do feel a bit stupid walking around with a 3-meter selfie stick. But sometimes you have to look stupid to make yourself for your art. I think one of the biggest mistakes of a lot of these golf vloggers is that now they're sort of getting bigger and getting more subscribers, they can afford better equipment, and they're spending that more on high quality cameras and lenses. But to me, they're not creating any better content. I think some of the Mark Crossfield's content from years ago is much better than what he's filming now, even though he's got a gimbal and he's got a £3,000 plus with the lenses camera. And obviously these cameras are only good if you know how to use them, if you know how to set the exposure and you know, put the right sort of colour grading on it, which I rarely see. I think probably Golfolics is maybe the best at filming golf courses. They use all the drone shots, which I think a lot of these vloggers use way too much. You know, use it sparingly. So there's me walking along with the trolley, walking towards my ball, just panning around. This was all done after. In the app, you can actually use an app on the PC, which you can get better quality. The quality, yes, I say the quality is not as good as a GoPro, but I don't think it's about the quality these days. It's good enough. I really do think you get a sense of being there, of knowing what the course is. And I'm looking back, and you can see how long that, you know, I've probably drove that ball about 360 yards. No, not really. That was wind behind. I probably did. I've got about 260 there. And yeah, I love it. I'm loving it. What do you think? Do you think this will be the future of filming golf vlogs? I'm going to hope to get out a bit more and play a full round and do an actual full course vlog. Hoping to meet up with some of the subscribers that I've been talking to as well. I'm coming back. What am I coming? Just hit the ball, man. Yeah. I'm hitting a pitching wedge here, and I think I hit it too long and I lost the ball. It flew over the green. There's a path at the back. So yeah, this is Topbloke here. Nice speaking to you. Latest potatoes.